In today's video, I'm going to teach you Clio Manage Pricing Explained. Which plan should you choose? We're going to walk through the 4 plans on the Clio Manage pricing page: EasyStart, Essentials, Advanced, and Expand. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of which option fits your firm's stage, workload, and goals. Let's begin with EasyStart, which starts at $49 per user. This plan is built for firms moving from spreadsheets or manual processes and want the fundamentals in one place. You can track time and bill clients, manage documents, use built-in e-signatures, communicate securely with clients, and follow simplified workflows. It's best suited for solo attorneys, brand new firms, or anyone just getting started with legal practice management. If your priorities are capturing time, sending accurate invoices, and keeping documents organized without a lot of extra setup, EasyStart covers the basics well. Next is Essentials, designed for growing firms that need more collaboration tools. Here you get document and matter templates to standardize your work, a secure client portal to streamline updates and document sharing, over 250 app integrations to connect email, calendars, and other tools you already use, and improved workflow management to keep tasks moving. Essentials shines for small legal teams and firms managing multiple staff members because it reduces back and forth, introduces consistency, and helps your team stay aligned. Advanced is Clio's most popular plan, and it's where automation and visibility really expand. You'll get task automation, automated matter and document creation, custom reporting, profitability and productivity tracking, and priority support. Established firms and teams handling a higher volume of cases often choose Advanced because it removes repetitive steps, creates reliable templates at scale, and provides data you can act on, like which matters are most profitable or where work is getting stuck. Finally, there's Expand, built to support firm growth from first contact to signed client. It includes lead capture tools, legal CRM functionality, marketing and intake automation, client conversion tracking, and end-to-end client journey management. If your firm is focused on generating more leads, improving intake, and nurturing prospects with CRM tools, Expand brings marketing and operations together so you can track every stage and optimize conversion. To recap the fit, EasyStart works well for solo lawyers and new firms. Essentials helps growing firms and small teams collaborate. Advanced suits firms seeking automation and robust reporting. Expand is best for firms emphasizing growth, intake, and CRM. Here's how to choose. Pick EasyStart for reliable basics, Essentials for templates, integrations, and a client portal, Advanced for automation and productivity insights, and Expand to drive more leads and manage the full client journey. For many solos, EasyStart is enough. Growing firms often benefit from Essentials, while Advanced is ideal for automation-minded teams. If business growth is the priority, Expand offers the most complete solution, and that's how to choose the right Clio Manage plan. Thanks for watching. Thanks.